Alright, what's up everyone? Right now we're at Joe's shop, waiting to get my diff welded. Dude, this thing is massive.
Well,
You got the RC cars in here?
yeah.
Nice.
Well, the RC cars, what we do is we have an RC car track over there.
What? And you got a Z over here.
Hey, one, 50 bucks.
50 bucks. You hear that, guys? 50 bucks. This can be all yours. Damn, this is crazy. This is the RC track, huh?
Yeah.
Got some jumps. Do you got any of them running?
Are you gonna play with it?
All right. Let's see if I can do this. So it's the steering wheel. Okay.
You go faster than that. You know, I could probably run around the track and follow you at this speed.
I'm running on foot right now.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hey, this is pretty fun, man.
Yeah.
I'm full throttle now. Hey. And I'll show you guys as he's welding it. It looks pretty cool. Basically, what happens is he just connects the two perpendicular gears together. That way, it's fully locked, no matter what. It's gonna take a while because he says he gives it time to cool down between each pass, so that way it doesn't break the integrity of the steel.
Yeah, it's kind of rattling right there. Here, it kind of rattled a little bit.
Yeah, so what's that? Is that
It's
like...
just splatter in the gears. Turn the nose up.
Uh-huh.
Like even if you hang it from something, you
Okay.
just spray in there and turn it and spray and turn. Because you see, see
Oh,
this
it's just
stuff?
really tiny.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just from welding. Like all
Okay.
the little berries.
Okay. So just spray it out with like brake clean or something? Okay.
like that. Yep. If
Until
you're-
it spins smoothly and doesn't...
Yeah, I mean it's already spinning smooth.
Yeah.
But it's just when this diff mixes all the oil around, it'll pick all that stuff up.
Mm-hmm.
If you do put some like really cheap oil in it and run it for like a day, and then drain
it.
do an oil change on it.
Just to get whatever's in
Yep,
there.
because the magnet will catch. It's all metal, so the magnet will catch it.
Okay.
Pro tip: pull this one out before you pull that one out, because if you pull this one and then you can't get that one out, you can't get the fluid back in the diff.
Oh.
When it's in the car.
Oh, okay.
You follow
Yeah,
what I'm
yeah,
saying?
yeah,
Like if
yeah.
you drain it and you can't get the fill plug
Yeah,
out,
yeah.
you can pull the diff back out. So
Yeah, I'm not trying to do that twice if I don't have to.
Something to keep in mind.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Alright, we got the diff back. Checked out the yard. Now it's time to head home, grab some fluids, some RTV, and then tomorrow we'll clean out the diff and put some fluid in it and drop it back in, and hopefully we can do some donuts.